Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and to another video. This video is a really short, quick how-to video, and as you can see on the screen I have got 4 different things that I'm making today from my orders for my Etsy store, and I wanted to show you quickly how to use Colour Sync. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, there are 3 different cake toppers. They're all reversed at the moment because that's how I like to cut my materials on my mats backwards. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how to use Colour Sync. So you can see I've got a lot of very similar colours on the screen. If I go through to make it, you're going to see that I've got quite a considerable amount of mats. So I've got my white one, I have the black, the red, and then I've got all of these yellow ones. But actually all of these yellow portions could be cut on one piece of cardstock, and that's because they're all supposed to be the same colour. That's the same with the green here, the 2 birthdays, and then the pink ones as well. And the reason that they are different is because if I change a colour on a piece of one of my projects, what I tend to do is go up to the colours here. Let me just choose this yellow for instance. So this yellow here, if I want it to be a neon colour, what I need to do is come to advanced, and I'll choose the colour here by dragging this little circle around. The problem that I've got is that it's very difficult to match the colours exactly every single time because I never get that circle in the same place twice. So that means that all of my yellows are different hues or different shades. So what I'm going to do is come up here to where it says Colour Sync, just above the layers menu. Just click on there and then you can see all of the different colours that I'm using in this project, and it's super easy from here on in. All you're going to do is just select all of your greens, so this one here, and I'm just going to drag it up to there. And then the blues are fine. I've got this yellow here and this yellow, so I could just drag this one down into this one. And then I've got my pink, which needs to come up to this one, or this one down, whichever way round you want to do it really, it doesn't matter. So you can just drag those through. So then I've got another yellow here, but actually this yellow I think I'm going to do as more of a sunshine yellow, so I don't want that one. But this one here is another neon, so that needs to come up to go with those ones. And then I've got my 2 whites. So now if I go through to make, I should just have my white, my black, my red, my yellow, which is my 2, which is a different colour, and then all of that is a neon yellow, all of that is a neon green, and then all of that is a neon pink. So that's how you use Colour Sync. It's so easy, and it just makes things much easier than clicking on the 3 dots and moving the object to a different mat or selecting a new mat. So I hope you'll use Colour Sync in the future to make your life easier. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it to be useful. If you have, don't forget to subscribe and drop me any questions or comments that you might have down below, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!